There's something unique about the colors orange and blue. They represent a unique blend of opposing emotions. The warm summer sun against that cool tropical water. Hues and harmony that blend together to create something that's eye-catching. Colors that represent passion and distance. And with passion comes glory and victory, gains and losses. These colors come together to make something that is truly distinct. Introducing from Ferro & Company, the Distinct 3. This unique one-hand watch is stunning. Based off the iconic Porsche 917K, this beautiful watch blends vintage design with today's ruggedness. The Distinct 3 has been created to last for generations, embodying endurance and robust performance. Designed to look like a Porsche tachometer, this watch is sure to turn heads with its eye-catching colors as well as its unique one-hand design. The way you read this watch is simple. The 12-hour dial is divided by 144 marks. Each mark is represented by 5 minutes. The combination of the bold 15, 30, and 45-minute markers on the outer rim are prominent against that orange pointer needle, making it easy to read the time. Here's a very quick example. The specs of this watch are as follows. The case is a stunning 42mm polished stainless steel case that is made out of 316L surgical grade stainless steel. It has a lug-to-lug of 48mm. It has a case thickness of 13.1. It has a domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and the movement is a Japanese automatic NH35 movement. It has an 8mm screw-down crown, 100-meter water resistance, a 22mm lug width, it has C3 lume, and it is an overall gorgeous watch. The pros and cons of this watch are as follows. Pro, it's distinct. Get it? But for someone who works with car guys, this daily wearer is perfect. It's recognizable, and it's definitely an attention grabber. These colors really make this watch pop off your wrist, and because of that, it's a great and sturdy looking watch. Next we have a pro and a con. Pro. The one-hand movement is very unique, and I think that its tachometer-inspired dial really fits well with the look of this watch, and it adds a great story behind this beautiful brand. Although for me, it takes a little while for me to actually read the time. Now, I know I'm not the brightest crayon in the bunch, but math was never a strong suit for me, and you would think I was trying to solve the Pythagorean theorem when I'm trying to read the time. Also, because of this one-handed movement, the watch certainly loses some accuracy. I mean, you would have to set it exactly at a 5-minute interval to get the most accurate measurement. And let's be honest, how many times a day does that actually happen? Okay, so a lot, but still, it's the point. Next we have a Pro. Pro. The band is super comfortable, and it's definitely up there with the king of all straps, the Alpina that I have, or had. But it's super heavy duty, and it smells so goddamn good. I love the smell of leather, and this watch smells like leather to no extent, and I think that race straps are some of the coolest straps on the market. I mean, this can hang with the best of them with its orange stitching and the underside being orange leather as well, and I just think this band is very cool. Con. I have mixed feelings about the presentation. On one hand, I think the box is a great touch, and I do love the wooden box that it comes with, but on the other hand, there's really nothing else that comes with it, and yet it has all this space on the inside. So I think you could have done a lot of cool things from maybe like a steering wheel warranty card to pretty much anything, but hey, what do I know? I'm not a watch snob. Pro and con. Let's get into the open case back. It's a very good looking open case back. I mean, I do like the engraved letters on the side. I think that they're very strong and pronounced. However, I'm under the impression that if you have an open case back, you should definitely decorate the movement. But a buddy of mine at work had a very good point. For this particular watch, you want it to look machined because it's race car inspired, therefore showing the bare bones, just like you're looking under the hood of a race car. It's simple, and it's just simple mechanics, and he does have a very valid point, so I think It's definitely a pro and a con. I mean, it depends on which side of the coin you fall on. Now let's discuss the most important thing: price. I paid a solid $685 for this particular watch on a pre-order, and honestly I don't think that's a bad price at all for what you get. It's solid, it's timeless, it's eye-catching, and it's a really unique watch. We all know that golf-inspired watches have been done time and time again, but this is something that is completely different and in a league of its own. And just like the Porsche it was designed after, it's meant for douchebags everywhere. No, I'm just joking. I'm really kidding. All in all, this watch offers a lot of bang for your buck, and therefore isn't a bad pickup at all if you're into the uniqueness of having a one-hand movement, as well as the eye-catching colors that come with this watch. All in all, if you're liking my content, tell your friends, tell your coworkers, hit that subscribe button, even the bell notification to get updates and reminders, and remember, I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Enjoy, and good day.